If you're a single mum on universal credit struggling to raise your children, you can't be a good mum every day because it's financial warfare and you are losing. I get it. You wake up tired. You go to bed anxious. You skip meals so your kid can eat and the world still spits at you. Let me make something clear. You're not broke because you're lazy. You're broke because they lied to you. Look, I got out of prison in £175,000 of debt. No credit, no name, no money. And I still made more money than lawyers, than bankers, than successful, educated people, and I'm a criminal with only this one skill. That's it. This one skill I'm sharing with you, it made me £26.5 million in 20 months through the COVID lockdown. Now I own hotels, supercars, a fucking Scarface villa on an island in the Mediterranean. Last year, I took 34 flights. Not to brag, not because I'm special, because I said enough of the lies is enough, which is holding you back and keeping ordinary people poor. And now I'm giving that skill to you for free. There's 5 days, one mission. I'm going to show you exactly on Monday how to make your first £100 inside Money School, then £1,000, then £5,000, then £10,000. If you want money, join Money School. It's free. We start on Monday. Click the link below or just go to moneyschool.com or stay broke. It's your choice.